What's up guys? In this video today, I wanted to briefly discuss the common question that I get: what can I expect from my ceramic coating after a year? So this is a perfect example. This truck was paint corrected and ceramic coated about a year ago. Given this paint is black, it's a big truck, most people don't take the best care of these things. This was a perfect example. At Shine Division Detailing, I put a lot of time and effort into providing my customers tools and resources so they can take care of their vehicle the best that they can for the duration of that ceramic coating lifespan. So it's not just the initial service that matters, although I do provide a very high quality service and ceramic coating process. What matters most is how you plan to take care of it. And that's actually a lot of what goes into my recommendation. If you plan to run your vehicle through an automatic car wash, this paint correction service may not be for you. But at the end of every service, I do provide my customers with a link to my website and a brochure that goes through the best maintenance practices and methods so you can enjoy the flawless results as long as possible. So taking a look at this GMC Sierra, this is an ideal example of what you can expect as well a year into the service if you follow my maintenance recommendations. This vehicle has no swirls, no defects, never been run through a car wash. Let's be realistic here. If you look close enough, there are some very mild wash marks in the paint, which is very routine and normal. It's what you can expect. But this customer took my recommendations. He read up on all the education materials that I provided him, and I'm very happy to see that this ceramic coated vehicle is in perfect shape. It's in for his annual ceramic coating maintenance service today. It's a checkup, it's a service on whatever it may need, and a little tweak. I'll provide the customer with recommendations once I find any issues that I see, and we'll send him on his way and he'll continue to enjoy the flawless results. This is a big reason why it matters so much who you work with. It's not just providing a good initial service, but had this customer not been educated and provided all these materials of how to maintain this truck, this would not be the result that I see in this paint today. The customer may not be happy, he may have washed it improperly, but because I did provide him with all these materials and he also implemented those methods, he is a much happier customer, I'm a happy detailer, and this truck is looking phenomenal. For this specific video, I'm going to spare you the details on what I do recommend, as I have made other videos on proper maintenance washes, what to expect from the ceramic coating specifically, but just wanted to jump on here because this is a perfect example of what you can expect 1 year plus after you get your paint correction and ceramic coating at Shine Division Detailing.